Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer revenue with Lemon Squeezy to your bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer revenue with Lemon Squeezy to your bank, start by logging into your Lemon Squeezy account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your sales and revenue. Look for the Payouts tab on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Payouts section, you will see your available balance and any pending payouts. Ensure that your bank account is linked to your Lemon Squeezy profile. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, click on the Link Bank Account button. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details securely. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payouts section. If you have enough available balance, you will see an option to initiate a transfer. Click on the Transfer to Bank button to start the payout process. You may be prompted to confirm the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure accuracy. After confirming, the transfer will be queued and processed by Lemon Squeezy. You will receive an email notification once the transfer is completed. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Regularly check your bank statement to track your transfers. Should you encounter any issues, consult the Lemon Squeezy support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.